All right, so you want to get rich off your pocket change. Well, that's not going to happen, but you can make 50 bucks. This is a 1970s small and large date. 99% of the coins in your pocket are going to be the large date variety, with the small date being much more scarce, a lot less minted. They don't actually know how many were minted, but it's definitely way more rare than the large date variety. Starting with the RTY, and you're going to need a magnifying glass because the differences are super, super small. The RTY and Liberty very weakly struck, and sometimes the Y is almost non-existent. And then on the date, the top of the 7 is going to be flush with the 9 and the 0, and the bottom of the 7 is going to be flush with the 1 and the 0. And then on the large date, Liberty is definitely stronger strike. The bottom of the 7 hangs below the 0, and the top of the 7 dips below the 9 and the 0. An uncirculated example sells for about $50 to $70. Obviously, this one is just worth 1 cent, 3 cents if you want to be shallow and pedantic. But this is something you could actually make money on. I have found these in circulation, and in circulated grades, they sell for about 20 to 30 bucks. But 20 to 30 bucks for just taking a glance at your change is pretty good. And I'll show you my examples right now to give you a better idea of what you should be looking for. All right, here's my large date coin. You can see Liberty very strong. The 7 hangs just below the 0, and the top of the 7 is just below the 0 and the 9. So this is the large date. This is the one you want. You can see RTY is very weak. Most of them are a lot weaker than this one. You can see the bottom of the 7 is flush with the 0, and the top of the 7 is flush with the 9 and 0. This right here is a $60 to $70 coin. You can find these in your pocket change, and it's definitely worth taking a look.